Are you trying to verify your email on Discord? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your Discord email so you can unlock all the features without any issues. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the Settings icon. From the Settings menu, tap Account. Here, you'll see an option called Send Verification Code. Tap on it. Now go to your email inbox, open the email from Discord, and copy the verification code. Come back to the Discord app, paste the code, and tap Next. Discord may ask you to confirm your email. You can either update it or keep using the same email. Just tap Change Email or proceed as shown. That's it. Your email is now successfully verified. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more quick Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching.